how did you realize that you have some health concerns?
My brother had gone in for a physical and found out that he had prostate cancer, and told me that I should check it out because it was running in our family.
Oh.
All the guys had it.
Like your father?
My dad, my uncle, my brother, and me.
Interesting.
Yeah. So I went and got checked out, had a high PSA, got a biopsy, and found out I had it.
You had it. And what was your reaction? Like as a human being, as a man? Both, whatever you can
First
tell.
I was confused because I didn't feel bad. Then I was scared. Then after I had done all my research, I was angry. Because there were so many different ways to go, but if you tried anything outside of normal doctors, everybody thought you were crazy. So you really didn't have a lot of support from people, when you wanted to try something alternative.
So it was a tough decision for you.
It was very tough.
But what was the first option that was offered to you?
Surgery.
Surgery. And what did you say to that?
Since I've never had any surgery of any kind, I was very shocked, and I told him he wanted to give me surgery within a week, and I said, okay. I went home, got on the internet, and started learning more about what this was all about and my choices, and then I called him back and said that I was going to try something else, and I wasn't going to do the surgery.
And what did the doctor tell you?
He said it was a mistake, and that people will tell you anything just to make you feel good, and to be careful, and to call him in 6 months because I would probably need to talk to him anyway.
Will you talk to him?
I can't wait to call him.
All right.
Because he has never been really supportive of anything other than just surgery.
And when you start looking in the internet, what were you looking for specifically?
I was looking for alternate cancer treatments, and that's what I Googled. And what you do is you obviously get a list of hundreds and hundreds of different treatments, but what I was looking for was two things. One was hopefully in Southern California, since I live here, and the other one was to have a proven track record and possibly some videos of people that actually went through the program. Instead of just reading it, it's so much better than to hear someone's own words, and then you can kind of judge for yourself. So that's how I did it.
And did we have any in our website?
Yes, actually, on your website you had 2 videos of prostate cancer patients.
I remember. One with the wife.
One with the wife and then one guy by himself. Yeah. And both of them were very compelling to me because they didn't try to sell. They just told what their experience was. And that was what I was looking for, was to find out from the patient what the experience was, as opposed to somebody trying to sell me on something.
So you found in the Internet Valley Cancer Institute quickly, or you had to go through some research?
Actually, I went through quite a bit of research, because when I did get the Googling the list, I must have gotten close to 300 names. And like I said, I started to break them down by geography. I wanted them to be in California, then hopefully Southern California, and just by going through all the list of all the names, I came upon via VCI.
We believe that our treatment has one of the best results, and also the lowest side effects. Were one of those, or the 2 factors, decisive in your decision?
Very much so. One thing is, with surgery, there's a lot of side effects.
Can you mention, do you remember anything?
Yes, the surgery was, you wouldn't be able to get an erection. You would have problems urinating. You would probably have to wear something because urination was inconsistent.
Incontinence.
Right. And because of that, it changes your life. And I didn't think, I'm 52 years old, I thought I had enough life ahead of me that I wanted to try something else. And once I found out that those were what the side effects were of surgery, I wanted to find out what the side effects were of this treatment, and that's why the videos were really helpful, because both of the guys said side effects were very minimal, if any, and long-lasting side effects were none.
You decide to look for alternative treatments because of the side effects of surgery, or were you doing a life, kind of healthy life?
A healthy life, because I also, when I found out I had cancer, I went to a very strict diet.